In Google Sheets, you can insert miniature charts that track the overall trend of a series. These are called sparklines, and they will help your reader to grasp the general progression of your data series. Google Sheets also now gives you the option of inserting a sparkline with the chart editor. Here I have my sales trends, tracked over several years in different countries in Europe. If I want to display those in a sparkline, first I'm going to select the cell where I want to add my sparkline, in my case H6. I'm now going to start entering the sparkline formula. I'm going to type =, sparkline, and I'm going to select that option that has appeared in the grey box just above, and automatically an open bracket has appeared. And if you want more information about the sparkline formula, you can click on the blue question mark. This will open the information box about the different sparkline formula, and you can see different examples. For example, you can enter the word chart type and then choose a bar or column or win-loss or max option, depending on how you want to display your data. If you want to learn more about Sparkline, you can click on that blue link at the bottom of the box. I'm just going to close this now by clicking on the X, and I'm going to select my range of cells. So from C6, I'm going to hold my click and drag across to cell F6, and I'm going to type in close bracket and press the Enter key on my keyboard. And I can see that my sparkline now appears in cell H6, and having inserted the formula, if I make a change in any of the values in the range of cells, for example, I'm going to select cell F7, and instead of 600,000, I'm going to make it 1, and then press the Enter key on my keyboard, and I can see that that has been taken into account and my sparkline has been automatically modified. I'm now going to enter a different type of sparkline. I'm going to select cell H7. I'm still going to start the same way with the formula =, sparkline. Again, I'm going to click on that to have my open bracket. I'm going to select my range of cells, so from C7 to F7. I'm now going to enter a semicolon, and now I'm going to enter the words chart type and bar to enter a bar sparkline. I've got those words already, so I can just select those two cells. I'm going to close the bracket and press the Enter key on my keyboard. And I can see automatically a bar sparkline now appears in cell H7. I'm also going to now create a column sparkline and a win-loss sparkline. So I'm going to select cell H8, type =, sparkline, select that, select my range of cells,